Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With Easter around the corner and family coming over for dinner, you'll probably need a couple delicious side dishes. There are a lot on the website and here's another one. Cabbage and Carrot Casserole. Yeah. Easy to prepare. This side goes so well with many proteins. Topped with a gorgeous cheese sauce and a breadcrumb mixture, this is sure to please everyone. So let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven or a large pot, over medium heat, we'll add 3 tablespoons of butter and 1.5 of olive oil. When it starts sizzling, we'll add yellow onions as well as celery. We'll stir so the veggies are nicely coated before seasoning with ground sea salt. Not too much, just a little. We'll saute them until the onions start to get translucent, about 3 minutes. Next, we'll add the cabbage and lots of it. That's why using a big pot or Dutch oven is better, so we have space to saute our ingredients. And then 3 cups of shredded carrots. We'll stir until everything is very well combined, and then add some freshly ground black pepper. And don't be shy. We'll quickly mix it, cover, and let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring often. When time is up, we'll add pressed garlic, some dry basil leaves, the same amount of dry oregano, and half a teaspoon of lemon zest. We'll saute our ingredients for 3 minutes, stirring frequently. We don't want to burn the garlic, otherwise it will taste bitter. A few minutes later, we'll remove the pot or Dutch oven from the heat and transfer the vegetable mixture into a 2-quart baking dish that has been lightly greased with cooking spray. Then we'll go ahead and pour our cheddar cheese sauce on top. I'm not showing you how because I already did. And to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll spread it out evenly, making sure it covers the entire surface. Next, in a bowl, we'll add panko breadcrumbs followed by melted butter. We'll stir until well incorporated and then evenly spoon the mixture on top of the cheese sauce. This will give a nice crunch to the casserole. We'll now sprinkle on some hot paprika, although you can use smoked instead. We'll transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the casserole is bubbly and the top is brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes before sprinkling on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our cabbage and carrot casserole. Tasty and easy to make. This side dish is a great addition to your folder. It's a delicious combination of ingredients that will enhance your protein. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!